reporting from Zojila Pass, high altitude Zojila Pass, which is important as far as the Srinagar Leh access is concerned, because this is the place, this is the terrain that takes you to Leh, which at present is very important as far as the India-China's tension in Ladakh is concerned, and also the essential supplies. As my VJ Mubashir is showing the visuals, see how the Beacon people here actually works on ground, because they start their work at 6:30 in the evening and it goes up to 6 p.m. Right now we are reporting in minus 15-degree temperature, some 75 laborers on job with their 14 high equipments. This is not the first time when such kind of work is going on. There had been the work in past as well, but this time the Beacon has decided to keep this track moving, to keep the snow clearance operation at least till 31st of December. As far as the snow launch is concerned, there were recently 2 incidents, but successful operations were carried by Beacon along with other agencies that are working on ground. So far, some 10 to 14 launches have also been reported at this very excess. We are reporting in minus 15, and this is the Zojila track, which is one of the toughest terrains in the country. In fact, this is counted as one of the toughest terrains and also the toughest roads of the country. As my Vijay Mubashir is showing you that how the operations at present is going, how the snow clearance operations are going on, and this goes on till 6:30 in the evening, and there is no break. In fact, it's all for the people of Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, this road has a rush not only from the people coming from Valley to Ladakh, but also there is an down convoy. Some 300 to 350 vehicles go to Srinagar every day from this place. We are joined by Captain Vikram, who will tell us all about the snow clearance operations that are going on here at Zojila Pass. Thank you, Captain Vikram. Welcome to Republic, and tell us about the operations that are going on at present.
Thank you, ma'am. Firstly, this is the first time when Zojila has been opened for such a long period of time. In this such a harsh weather, it is about minus 18, and we have deployed around 15 equipment, so that the only lifeline to Ladakh is being connected throughout the season for the army as well as the civil population.
So what kind of men and machinery are there, and what are the working hours, that how you are dealing when even not only the temperature is a big issue, but at the same time the COVID is around?
It has been a tough challenge for everybody, my labours also, and for my supervisors and all the staff working on ground. So we have deployed around 75 labours, and we have 15 equipments with us which are continuously running. We don't have any such kind of working hours. We are there to clear this road, and it's our responsibility to keep the road green throughout the extension period of 31st December.
So as far as in this weather and also the kind of terrain that you have, you are more into this avalanche zones. So tell us about your experience while dealing with the avalanche.
It has been very difficult. We have been given avalanche rescue teams also. Army has been providing us with the avalanche rescue teams, and my guys working on ground are experienced enough to guess what kind of avalanche is going to trigger or something of that sort. And we have been clearing around 70 to 75 avalanches from a period of 1st December till date. Avalanches are triggering daily basis and hourly basis, so we need to be careful, and my guys are on it, and we are ready, and we'll be keeping this pass open till whatever time we are asked to.
See, as far as we know about this stretch, the access from Zojila to Leh, or if we talk about the Kargil, normally the road would get closed in November, but this time we are seeing that in December also the road is open. And how long you are going to keep the road open?
As per the orders, we are supposed to keep it open till 31st December. If it goes beyond that period, my men and Project Beacon and all the officers and subordinates working on ground, be it anyone, all are ready to keep the pass open till whatever time we are asked to keep it open.
Thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you, ma'am.